Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope everybody had a wonderful Easter weekend, got lots of chocolate in them. Let's jump right into our phys ed for the week of April 14th to the 17th, another short week, 4-day week. Came across this the other day. This isn't one of our students, this is a student over in England, but it pretty well sums up how homeschooling is going for a few people, especially our parents. A lot of you commented on how you're driving your parents nuts. I'm sure this homeschooling has not been easy on them. I did ask you last week to be creative in your own space and come up with some activities, some 30 minutes of activities on your own. And you guys simply amaze me. Unbelievable, especially some of the selfies and some of the videos you sent me of what you're doing. Very creative, very eclectic, whether it's doing Zumba with your family, hopscotch with mom out front. I thought that was kind of fun. Tons of pictures of people walking their dogs. Your four-legged friends are keeping very active and very happy. Very interesting, some of the stuff that people are doing that I was not expecting. Some great videos and great activities, very eclectic. And I like the fact that some people have used a personal space within their home to create some workout gyms. Also, some people took my advice, got outside, got some vitamin D, able to honor the social distancing regulations, get on the bikes and hit some trails. And it's so important right now to not only physically but mentally to keep ourselves going through activity. So this week we're going to continue with the 30 minutes a day for 4 days, working on our fitness goals. Please continue to send me some selfies with your assignment. Love to see what everybody's doing. At least one of these workouts has to be this week's challenge. We're going to talk about this week's challenge in a second. And you're going to submit this new document, this Fitness Journal Reflection document, to the D2L by next Sunday. So, this week's challenge. Last week I said it was a good opportunity to explore some online workout programs. Some of you did. Some of you I saw included in your workouts. That's good. I want you to go find one, whether it's Nike Coach, Perimeter Workout, Fitness Blender. There's lots of yoga ones. There's lots of fitness stretching. Find a component that you want to work on, whether it's cardiovascular, flexibility, etc., and find an online workout and make one of your fitness activities for that day that particular workout. And I've included some questions in the reflection journal for this week for you to give me your opinion and your ranking on it. So be prepared for that. Again, let's be clear, all of our activities, we're going to be safe. I was glad to see some of you including your family in many of your activities, but all social distancing rules must be followed. Everything's going to be safe. That is of utmost importance for you. Physical fitness, again, tweak this journal a little bit. There's a few different questions on it this week around. You're going to do a reflection of what you did this week, completing the fitness journal for the week. Don't forget to include the review of your online workout routine, and that too is due by Sunday night to the D2L. So, the physical fitness aspect we just talked about. Getting those 2 Word documents to my D2L, and make sure you please send it to my D2L, not my email, by this Sunday. We haven't really talked about health, but for grade 10s, you're ready to start your researching your health assignment. It is due, the final product is due on May 1st, which gives you 3 weeks. The grade 10s or 11s and 12s, I have included in the attachment here a planning sheet. That sheet is due to me the week of Friday, April 24th. The questions on there can be answered in point form, but it's a good preparation for your project, which will also be due the final product, which will be due on May 1st as well. Stay safe, people. It's back to self-isolation. We don't know how long this is going to last, but stay safe, stay dry, and stay classy.